Jacqueline here to give you a tour of the Benefits dashboard. The Benefits tab gives a bird's-eye view of company benefits managed by Gusto, those managed outside of Gusto that are set up for payroll deductions, and a list of other benefits you can add over time. Let's take a closer look at medical benefits managed by Gusto. The Benefits Summary provides plan information like the company's contribution, new hire waiting period, effective dates, and plan types. No more sorting through stacks of paperwork. In just a few clicks, you can look at plan details and an enrollment summary. Here, you can see which employees have completed enrollment. The contribution amount is broken out by what the company and employee each pay per pay period. When you manage health benefits with Gusto, they automatically sync with payroll, so deductions and reporting are accurate. In fact, 9 out of 10 surveyed Gusto customers spend 15 minutes or less a month managing benefits through Gusto. When new employees join the company, you can estimate the cost of their benefits. Just go to the Benefits dashboard and click on the calculator to get started. With the Affordable Care Act, rates are fixed based on an employee's age and the company zip code. As your broker, we make it easy for you to store, sync, and update this information in one place. Here, you can see the cost breakdown of every benefit for the company and the employee. Download it to share with the team or job candidates, because providing benefits coverage can help you attract and retain talent. The Benefits dashboard gives easy online access to important benefits information, all in a few clicks.